Welcome to the world of robotics and automation, a dynamic field that is transforming industries and shaping our future. Overview of robotics and automation technologies. Robotics and automation are technologies that leverage machines and systems to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. These technologies find applications in various fields, including manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and more. Types of robots and their applications in different industries. There are several types of robots, each designed for specific tasks and industries. Industrial robots. These are used in manufacturing settings for tasks like welding, assembly, and painting. Service robots. Deployed in diverse settings, from hospitals and hotels to households, to assist with chores or provide services. Medical robots. These assist surgeons in minimally invasive procedures and even enable remote surgery. Autonomous vehicles. Transforming the transportation sector with innovations like self-driving cars and delivery drones. Benefits and challenges of robotics and automation in the workforce. There are notable advantages and challenges associated with robotics and automation. Advantages include increased efficiency. Robots work continuously without breaks, leading to enhanced productivity. Improved safety. By handling dangerous tasks, robots reduce risks to human workers. Cost savings. Over time, automation can prove to be cost-effective for businesses. Challenges include job displacement. The increased use of automation can result in job losses in certain industries. Technical limitations. Some tasks require the dexterity and adaptability of human workers. Ethical concerns. These encompass issues like privacy, fairness, and ethical decision-making in AI systems. Ethical and societal implications of increased automation. As automation becomes more prevalent, it brings forth several ethical and societal implications. Job loss and economic disparities. The impact of automation on employment and income distribution. Privacy concerns. The collection and utilization of personal data in automated systems. Autonomous weapons. Ethical concerns related to the use of AI in military applications. Responsible AI. The need for ethical AI development and regulation to ensure responsible and accountable use. Emerging trends and advancements in robotics and automation. The field of robotics and automation is advancing rapidly. Emerging trends include AI integration. Robotic systems are increasingly incorporating artificial intelligence for advanced decision-making. Human-robot collaboration. Robots working alongside humans in collaborative environments, enhancing productivity. Robotics in space exploration. Robots play a pivotal role in space missions, enabling exploration and scientific research. Soft robotics. The development of flexible and adaptable robots for intricate and delicate tasks. Swarm robotics. The study of large groups of relatively simple robots working together in a coordinated manner. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the exciting world of robotics and automation. If you found this content informative and engaging, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the future of technology and innovation. Your support keeps us going. Thank you.